What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the video. This is your boy, Professor Pechugas, and we're back with this week's recipe. Now, we've been just over a month in quarantine, staying inside, can't go out. You guys are probably doing a lot more grocery shopping. You guys are probably cooking at home. So I wanted to bring you guys a new video, something that you can make while we're in this together. It's gonna be a real delicious one and a quick one. I'm talking pesto grilled chicken. Let's get it. Now, for this week's recipe, I want to go over the ingredients that we're going to be using this week. So number one, boneless, skinless chicken breast, pesto, basil pesto. It's already pre-packaged, and then you can make it from scratch if you want to. But if you want to save time, you can just get a really good one that's already packaged. And we're going to use lemons, fresh lemons. So it's going to be real quick, real easy, not a whole lot of ingredients, fast prep time, and absolutely delicious. You're gonna love how this tastes. All right, let's go ahead and put everything together. We wanna get our boneless, skinless chicken breast. Gotta make sure it's good. Sounds real good. So you wanna grab your boneless, skinless chicken breast and lay them out on a flat single layer. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our basil pesto. Is it right here? So we're gonna open this up and stir it up a little bit, and then slap a little bit of pesto onto the chicken, all over the breasts, just like that. Easy. And we're gonna flip it over, just like that. And last but not least, we're gonna do this one right here. What we're gonna do is grab our lemon and then just squeeze a little bit of lime. Optimum flavor, we're gonna go ahead and let these marinate in its juices for about 30 minutes. Have dinner ready now. You could go ahead and slap these on the grill right now. You're still gonna get a ton of flavor. While we're prepping and grilling the chicken, we're gonna go ahead and make a side to go with it. This meal in particular, I think will be better suited for people who are looking to gain weight on a bulk. We're gonna prep some pasta to go with it, Velveeta Pasta. So we're gonna make some mac and cheese, 2% milk cheese. If you guys are lactose intolerant, you can make pasta, but you're definitely not gonna be using the cheese with this one. You could use something else like olive oil. You can use something else, or what you could do is grill regular chicken and make pesto pasta. So that's just another way that you can switch things up if you're lactose intolerant. Otherwise, this is what we're gonna be using in this recipe.
It goes like camera action when I step into the limelight. Easily adapted to the high life. Dressed to impress like it's prom night. And when you live in top shelf, you know you gotta set the bar high. Had the same dreams since we was kids. Big trips, big cars, and even bigger cribs. Never thought that it would happen just the way it did. Fast forward that now, it's just the way we live. That's good food and drinks. My move makes you think that this life's made for a king. The room starts to shake, so smooth if you blink, you might just
look at the nutrition facts. 15 grams of protein for 4-ounce serving.
That's good food and drinks. My mood makes you think that this life's made for a king. So many different things to do within the high life. And now it's girls, I adore. The coupe only sit 2, but in the back I got 4. Talking about this high life, I mean as high as it go. That's kites, planes, clouds, the bank accounts that I own. Funny thing, it all started from a pen and a poem. Whoever thought that this could pay off all of my student loans. About to throw a party, invite everybody I know. Let me send a mass text to everyone in my phone. That's good food and drinks. My move makes you think that this life's made for a king. The room starts to shake, so smooth if you blink, you might just miss the whole thing. It's just a different way to move within the high life. So many different things to do within the high life. That's good food and drinks. My mood makes you think that this life's made for a king. So many different things to do within the high life. Talking about this high life, I mean as high as it goes. Easily adapted to the high life. Talking about this high life, I mean as high as it goes. It's just a different way to move in the high life. So many different things to do within the high life. Let's go food and drinks. My mood makes you think that this life's made for a king. So many different things to do within the high life.
Pesto chicken and mac and cheese. Ooh, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, give me a like. And then also, I'd love to get your feedback. If you've tried this recipe, love to hear your feedback in the comments below. So go ahead and drop me a comment. I check out all the comments and I love to engage and interact with you guys. I drop videos just like this every week, whether it's grilled chicken or rotisserie chicken. These are all recipes that I use here for myself to build muscle, maintain lean muscle, but at the same time, make sure it has flavor so you're not just having bland food. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video. Sounds real good.